My very first time driving the all-new Lamborghini Urus, or as the Italians like to say, the Urus. Now this is a 4-litre turbo engine, the first turbo engine Lamborghini have ever produced. 641 brake horsepower, and despite weighing just under 2.2 tonnes, yeah, it's that heavy, it does 0 to 60 or 62, whatever, in 3.6 seconds, which is pretty astonishing given the size and the weight of this thing. We are going into Terra mode. I'm gonna. Oh my god, that was awesome. Checking out the car from the outside. I mean, first of all, you can kind of see the profile of the car has got the original Gandini lines. But what I really wanted to show you was this. Because I'm a girl, I'm quite practical, and I've got loads of stuff, like loads of stuff. And ta-da! There's space! Actually, this is a great little angle because you can really see the active suspension from here. We are currently on Terra mode, which is the gravel mode. So we currently have the active suspension up by 40 millimetres. Right, part 2 continues. I think this is what I love about it the most. We've literally just left the off-road track, put it back into sport mode, and we are now integrated back into normal life with 641 brake horsepower at my fingertips.